I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select a trigger CoBlocks form. Now, click on the Fetch button, then navigate to the CoBlocks form and fill it out to retrieve the data. After fetching the form, you need a unique key to define it. However, the CoBlock form doesn't provide the unique key. That's why I added a hidden field and gave its value as a unique key. Now fill out the form. Return to the integration site to view the successfully fetched data. Now check all the fields under the object. Then choose the hidden field as a unique key. Set action. Search and select the JetEngine action. Connect to JetEngine. JetEngine connected successfully. Next, choose a task. Map the respective fields. Under Utilities, you'll find some advanced features. Select both checkboxes to display the post type on the admin menu. Per your requirements, you can add conditional logic as well. Next, finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Now go to the JetEngine dashboard. Then navigate to the post type. Here you can see that a post type was created successfully. It is also displayed on the admin menu bar. Thanks for watching.